Today we'll do epithelial tissues. So what are epithelial tissues? Basically, epithelial tissues are types animal tissues. They are thin and protective. They are present on the outer covering of the body and on which of the specific regions we'll do in the types of epithelial tissues in just a moment. So coming back to epithelial tissues, they are protective, sensory and excretory in nature. So different functions are performed by different types of epithelial tissues. They are capable of division and regeneration throughout their whole life. And they are attached to the basement membrane. So basically, the basement membrane is a membrane to which the epithelial tissues are attached. So the basement membrane really binds the epithelial tissues and connect it to the other underlying tissues. Okay, so now the types of epithelial tissues. Basically, there are 8 major types. You may see that some of the types are not mentioned in several books, but this video will cover all the types so that you can answer any of them. Okay, so the first, squamous epithelium, cuboidal epithelium, columnar epithelium, glandular epithelium, ciliated, sensory, stratified, and lastly pseudostratified. And now we look at them each individually. Some we'll do in this video and some in the next. Okay, so squamous or pavement epithelium. Squamous is the proper name and a pavement is the name common for this type of epithelium. Okay, so this is a very rough diagram and it is just for your reference. So you can make this diagram in your exams and tests when required to do so. Basically, this is the squamous epithelium and this is the basement membrane, the shaded part. And so now the characteristics and the functions and the structure of squamous epithelium. So let's list them all. Cells are thin, flat and hexagonal. Secondly, possess nucleus. Nucleus is present. Thirdly, cells are arranged edge to edge. Thus they make a lining. They form a lining. So arranged edge to edge. So they form a lining. And lastly, since they form a lining, they give appearance of pavement, hence known as pavement epithelium. They give appearance of pavement, hence the name. So basically, the pavement epithelium name is just for identifying the squamous epithelium easier and in a more easy way. So now we have done the structural features and now we'll do the location. So the location, it is present on many parts of the body. The first is skin, then the lining. So basically it lines the following organs: alveoli of the lungs. Basically, alveoli help in the exchange of gases. Blood vessels in heart, mouth, lastly the esophagus. So basically it is thin, flat and hexagonal. They possess a nucleus. They are arranged edge to edge. So they form a lining and they give the appearance of pavement, hence the name pavement epithelium, to be more convenient. And they are present on the skin. They line the organ alveoli of lungs, blood vessels, heart, mouth and esophagus. So now we've done the location and the structural features. Now we'll do the functions of the squamous epithelium. So the functions are filtration, and transportation, by osmosis and diffusion. And secondly, protection for the underlying parts of the body from mechanical injury and the invasion of germs. So protection against mechanical injury and invasion of germs. And now the last function, they keep the parts moist. That is also a very important function, to keep them from drying up, to keep away from the deficiency. So in this video we do just what we have covered now. The next 7 parts we'll do in the next video. So let's just recap in a minute what we've done. First was the epithelial tissues, then were its types, and then we did squamous epithelium, its structural features, its location and its function. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked it, and please subscribe and continue watching. Thank you.